Welcome to our book, #3, Phaedo by Plato, a deeply moving dialogue about Socrates' final hours before his execution. In this first video, we'll explore why Socrates, one of history's greatest philosophers, faced death with such calm and even joy. This isn't just a story about death, it's a celebration of the philosophical life. Let's dive in. The dialogue begins with Phaedo, a devoted follower of Socrates, recounting the events of Socrates' last day to a group of friends. Socrates is in prison, awaiting his execution by drinking poison hemlock. But instead of fear or sadness, Socrates is calm, even cheerful. His friends are heartbroken, but Socrates reassures them that a true philosopher should not fear death. Why? Socrates explains that death is the separation of the soul from the body. For him, the body is a distraction. It's tied to desires, emotions, and sensory illusions. The soul, on the other hand, is the seat of reason and truth. A philosopher who seeks wisdom and truth should welcome death as a liberation of the soul from the body's limitations. Socrates then shares his famous analogy. The philosopher is like a prisoner who escapes from a cave of shadows into the sunlight of truth. Death, for Socrates, is the ultimate escape into the light. But his friends are still troubled. What happens after death? Is the soul truly immortal? Socrates promises to explain, but first, he wants to address their fears and doubts. In the next video, we'll explore Socrates' arguments for the immortality of the soul and his vision of the afterlife. Stay tuned.